Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 8 from chapter 24 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a radio station. It utilizes frequencies between AM and FM. We need to find the frequency of a 11.12 meter wavelength channel. Let's start with what we know. Okay, it's a radio wave, so it's an EM wave. So we know it's going to travel at the speed of light. So the velocity is c. We know the wavelength is 11.12 meters, and we need to find the frequency. All right. So we have c is equal to lambda times f. We want this to say f equals, so we divide both sides by lambda. So f is equal to c divided by lambda. All right, substituting the values, c is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. We are dividing by the wavelength lambda, and that is 11.12 meters. I did the calculation, and I found the frequency is 2.698 times 10 to the 7 hertz. And I kept 4 sig figs there because that's how many the wavelength had. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.